Hello, everyone. My warm wishes to one and all on this lovely occasion of Mother's Day. I, Dr. Rima Musare, on behalf of Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapit's Department of Physiotherapy, welcome you to our small video dedicated to all our superheroes. We always have this gift wrapped gratitude towards our mother, and Mother's Day is the occasion where we choose to express it. What can be a better way than expressing our gratitude through our art? Physiotherapy is our art, and we all wish to strengthen the wings of all our mothers by showing them some simple breathing exercises which will help them grow stronger. Hope you all enjoy doing these. Here, my team of final year students will demonstrate the breathing exercises with their supermoms.
A mother is always the beginning. She is how things begin. As it is rightly said, when you educate a man, you educate an individual. But when you educate a woman, you educate the entire family. Mothers are clothed with dignity and strength. Mothers of every household have been working day in and day out to keep their families safe and healthy. They are ready to sacrifice their own comfort and well being for their immediate family and friends. They are the ones who seldom get the opportunity to take care of themselves, especially in this pandemic time.
In today's testing times, most patients are becoming critical due to adverse effects on the lungs, causing breathing issues. As a tribute to selfless soul, our mothers, we would love to spread the importance and awareness of breathing exercises which can prove to be a savior and are effective and easy to perform during this pandemic to each and every household, which is only possible with the help of the frontline warriors, our mothers. How do breathing exercises help? They reduce stress, anxiety, and fatigue, boosts immunity and oxygen levels, improves heart and lungs health, detoxes the body, improves quality of sleep, and is good for the digestive system. So, let's fight this together.
Our first breathing exercise is diaphragmatic breathing. For this, you have to put your one hand on the tummy. As you breathe in and out, feel the movement of your tummy. As you breathe in, tummy should blow out, and when you breathe out, tummy should go in. Repeat this for 5 to 6 times. Our second exercise is post-sleep breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth with post-sleep. As simple as you blow a candle. So take a deep breath and blow out. Repeat this exercise for 5 to 6 times. Our third exercise is segmental breathing exercise, in which there are 3 parts. So first is local basal expansion. Put your one hand on opposite side rib cage. Take a deep breath and while exhaling, apply a firm pressure. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now same with the another hand on the opposite side. If you feel any difficulty applying pressure with the help of your hand, we can use towel or a dupatta. Wrap the dupatta surrounding the rib cage and holding its ends. Repeating the same technique, that is, first inhale and while exhaling, apply firm pressure by pulling the dupatta. Second technique of the segmental breathing is apical breathing exercise. In this exercise, we have to place our hand on the upper chest just below the collarbone. While inhaling, apply the pressure using the tip of the finger and exhale. In this, shoulder should be relaxed. Now, moving to the third technique of the segmental breathing is posterior basal expansion. In this exercise, therapist has to place the hands on the back and ask the patient to breathe, and while breathing in, therapist has to apply the pressure and then exhale. This exercise can be done actively with the help of dupatta or a towel. Just wrap it around the chest, hold the ends of the dupatta in front, and while breathing in, pull the dupatta forward and apply a force or a pressure, and then exhale. Our last exercise is balloon blowing exercise. In this, you have to inhale the maximum air and try to blow out the balloon to the maximum limit while exhaling.
Mama, here I want your attention. This time I demand a different kind of celebration. This Mother's Day is not as usual, but let's make it an intention. As all our family members and I need, remember that your body also needs your attention. This special day, let's turn it to a cause for the most important prevention. All you need to do is focus on your lungs with these easy breathing exercises. Today is the time to practice it, and there should be no option. Most important is your contribution towards this transformation. Fighting against COVID pandemic today should be our first resolution. Like you vanish all my problems with a variety of solutions, as your responsible daughter, it's my duty to care for you and tackle every situation with caution. Being a medical student, this is my effort for you and all the great mothers around there, and I require your cooperation. I love you to the moon and back, and you should be the healthiest is my only perception. This video is an effort from us as a small token for health promotion. Dedicated to all the awesome mothers in the world who are the most important parts of our lives, who conduct all their duties with utmost efficiency, and their health is the most important. Remember, when your mom is ill, isn't the entire house ill? In this current situation of surge of pandemic, let's make our mom take out some time for herself and promote her well-being, which can be the best gift from every daughter or son on this Mother's Day.